Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you why can't you leave a group chat on iPhone. If you can't leave a group chat, then first let's try to do it. In the group chat, click on the group chat at the top and there should be a button about leaving the group chat. But you can see I don't have it. And it's because in order to be able to leave a group chat, you will need, the group chat has to have at least 4 or more people in total, including you. And you can see my group chat has 3. So for some reason I cannot leave it. I can only edit the name and photo, and that's about it. So yeah, there's nothing I can do about it. I can't leave it. I can only mute it or delete it, but deleting it won't like fully remove it, like won't leave out of it, because when I receive a text from the group chat, then you'll see that, yeah, I got a text. So unfortunately it is impossible to leave a group chat of 3. There has to be at least 1 more person. I don't really understand why, but this is how it is. So yeah, you can only mute it. Or if you can, then add 1 more person for a moment, just so the leave group chat appears at the bottom. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.